He's taking bath.
1.
Okay. আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। আমরা এসেছি ঝিনাইদহ শহর থেকে খানিকটা দূরে, একেবারে গ্রামের ভিতরে। এই গ্রামটার নাম হচ্ছে দাফলবাড়ি গ্রাম। এইখানে সবাই এসছে গোসল করার জন্য। একেবারে সেই স্যালো মেশিনে, আমরা ছোটবেলায় স্যালো মেশিনে গোসল করেছি। এখানে সবাই এসছে সেই মুহূর্তটা এনজয় করার জন্য। ফিরে যাচ্ছি সেই ছোটবেলায়। আসলে এই চমৎকার একটা নেচার পয়েন্ট অফ ভিউ। all our members here, especially our nephews, they have come here. I'm inspired by them, inspired of tremendous intention to take bath. Nevertheless, it's not possible for me to take bath because of I'm not prepared, and let's see to the last moment I can take a bath. So my son is very enjoying, and they're freezing water. They're freezing water. So they're all causing. And of course, this is a beautiful moment. And you can see just closely, I'm trying to show the natural point of view. This is our village. It is called natural village, and we are proud. Of course, we are proud of our village because of their viewers. Everything, especially crops, comes from village area, and you can see the paddy field. And maybe just closely, I'm trying to show this is paddy field, and just I'm getting a smell of and new paddy field. Really nice to look at, and my son is also enjoying a lot. So I cannot briefly in right here because I'm enjoying a lot also. So my dear son, how do you feel? How do you feel? If you say something about this, how do you feel? Okay. Yes. We'll say something. Okay. He cannot express himself because of his getting enjoy a lot, and it's an enjoyable moment. Yes. He's taking bath. Like bird, like son. Like son, like bug. Okay. Okay. Yes. Father, you can move. You can move forward. You can move forward, and you can enjoy a lot. Nice. Oh, father, go there. Go over there. That. A very interesting place. How is your feeling? How is your feeling?
Feeling so cold, and I'm so excited.
Okay. Just take a bath. I would like to see the scenario. You bow your head in the water.
There's
3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1.
Okay. They're taking bath. How is your feeling?
It's so good, it's very fast.
Oh, nice. What a beautiful landscape. Really nice. We are enjoying a lot. You can never ever imagine. You cannot get any kinds of good feeling if you don't come here. So of course, it's a natural point of view, and we are really proud of the citizen as a Bangladeshi citizen. Really nice. And I'm coming back to my childhood in this way. Just we got A lot of enjoy. Wow.
দেখ উনি কোন পছন্দ গিয়েছে
চল যাই
My son is enjoying a lot. And his jaw is not around. All are enjoying. And now I would like to know from... Okay.